So this is going to be the unboxing of the built Palladium card, and this is for all you freaks out there, you know who you are. Kind of nice packaging, got the little built logo here. Man, I will say, for all of the failures that Built has as far as marketing, rollout, changing their mind at the last second, they do a really good job with presentation, I tell you what. So this is the limited edition option. Let's see, I know the last one, it popped out from both sides. That is a good looking card. I will say, I think that this is probably the best looking credit card I've ever seen, and that includes the MX Platinum. And then over here, they've got earn the richest rewards in your home, neighborhood, and everywhere else. And then once you flip it over, again, you've got the little Built logo, the richest everyday rewards card, meets points on rent and mortgage. Taking this out. And before I flip it over, let me cover up the details on the back before I get myself doxxed. Man, I'm a little offended. For all of the free marketing that I'm giving Built, I didn't get one of the smudge cloths. Now, time for a drop test. First, the Built Palladium card, the Amazon Prime Visa, Built 1.0, a $95 paperweight, the City Strata Elite, this thing's a monster. And then one more time, the Built Palladium. And then for good measure, let's see how much these weigh. The Built Palladium, 22 grams, that's unbelievable. $95 paperweight, 11 grams. Built 1.0, 18 grams, 17 grams. Amazon Prime Visa card, 13 grams. And then the City Strata Elite, which again is a monster, 19 grams. So yeah, at the end of the day, I will say this is one of the nicest cards I've ever held in my hand. And keep in mind, I never suggest getting a card just because it looks nice or for status. At the end of the day, it's what you get from the card. But I will say, the way that I think about this card, it's a 3.3x Built point earning card, up to 75% of the cost of my mortgage, which then very much simplifies my wallet. Anything that earns less than or equal to 3x on any category, I can basically just take out of my wallet. I'm essentially going to be Built, and then the rest of my wallet is 5x. If you want to understand why I say that this is a 3.3x Built point earning card, check out my other videos.